Smart Up Your Life.
Well, sometimes we can learn a good lesson for life from the another people's experience, life experience, and sometimes we learn from ourselves. Yes, so that why we call the experience itself is the best teacher in our life, because we can get the lesson that how to say that we cannot get it from another place, yeah. And how to say, every one of us has our life experience, different life experience, and with different response and different lesson. So to conclude our conversation tonight about experience is the best teacher, I would like to give this chance to one of my friends from BPEC Makassar to give the conclusion, to take a conclusion from our conversation tonight. So, Mr. or Mrs. Oh, Mr. Diaz, I mean.
Saya.
I thought that was you, Mrs. Dewi.
You can
Yes.
come? Okay. For me, our conclusion tonight is everyone has experience, also signature and strengths, weakness, and the most important that in our life that we can learn from listen from our experience day by day, time to time, and can make our life is better for the future. So day by day we can make how to say better, and today is not better but tomorrow is better. I think that can make our life is perfect. Thank you.
So make sure that's tomorrow better than today.
Yeah,
Yes,
So you have to learn about your experience life today.
yeah.
Yes. That's good. Who wants
Good.
to share again? Conclusion maybe?
Ini. Yeah, just take it.
Please, Aini.
So that the conclusion that I get from all the conversation tonight, that we actually can learn from the person's or another's experience, means that everything can be a teacher for us. Even if it is the small thing, big things, teacher, or even the bad person, we can actually learn from them, because actually the lesson is not just coming from the good things, but also coming from the bad things. That we can say that even if it is the bad things, I know that bad, so I will not do that in the future. So I think we can learn from everything, every place. So just keep learning.
Just keep learning. Yes.
And heal the world.
Well, yes, because we have concluded the conversation. Yes, now to close our session in this program, Smart Up Your Life. As usual, we want to share the vocabularies and also idioms for you, smart listener, that you can use on your daily conversation. So, who wants to be the first?
Okay.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yes, Mr. Isan, please.
The first, every cloud has a silver lining. It means that every bad situation that we face, it contains also the positive vibes. And the second, water under the bridge, someone or something that is important, but he become not important anymore. So it means that someone or something used to be important, but not anymore right now.
So, Miss Aini?
So I got two idioms. First, once in a lifetime experience. I repeat again, once in a lifetime experience means that the experience that unlikely to be happen anymore. And the second is put something down to experience. Means that even it is the bad thing, but we can put that some lesson from that. That's all.
Okay, I also have two idioms to be shared. Firstly is once in a blue moon, means that something that is rare to be happen. For example, I watch movie in cinema once in a blue moon, means that yeah, probably this is my first or second time going to cinema to watch some movie. And then secondly, okay, this is like interesting question. Basically, this is like idioms that asked by one of my students, but I haven't answered yet, so I will answer it in here. Hopefully, they watch it. Okay, so the idioms is that as vivid as I used to be. So the meaning of this idiom is that remember, this is like a farewell sentences when someone dying. So the meaning, okay, in sentences is that remember me as vivid as I used to be when we were together. Means that you are going to you give like last farewell to your friends and apa when you are dying. So it's like ingat aku sebagaimana saya dulu hidup begitu, as vivid as I used to be. I think that's all. Yeah.
Next, Mr. Yes.
Yeah, I don't have idioms, but I have vocabularies. Journey, petualangan, achievement, pencapaian, and struggle, perjuangan.
Mrs. Dewi.
So many.
Oh yeah.
I have only one idioms, that is holier than thou. That means the attitude of people who consider themselves to be more virtuous or morally superior to others can be called holier than thou. For example, I cannot stand the holier than thou attitude of some political candidates. So that's it.
Well, thank you so much, guys, for coming and thanks for the conversation. I hope we can always learn from our life experience and take a good lesson, even not always things happening as what we expect in our life. Yeah. So thank you. Keep healthy.
Anytime.
And yes, we'll see you again next week.
Yeah, happily.
Bye bye.
Bye.